No, because like I answered in your question, I grew from below the scratch. Poverty was part of me when I was small. And if you grew through poverty, you wouldn't have interest for the flashy things of life. You can only look the way of a woman and talk to a woman when there's something in your pocket. But if the pocket was always dry, that you trekked everywhere you wanted to go, what time would you have to look at a woman? So it's when you look at a woman that in the course of a relationship, there may be heartbreak or things like that. But I never went there. But I didn't waste time in looking at women when God started blessing me financially. And that's when I got married. And by the grace of God today, I have 5 children, 3 boys, 2 girls. They're all doing well in their educational career. Yeah. Glory be to God.
Why you flexing? Why you think say I be